Welcome viewers. Today I will share with you a best quality useful product. Please watch carefully and enjoy the video. If you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Title of the product. The design is very good looking. It has good features. More useful features. Customer review on AliExpress. It has good rating. Check the description link below for details and price. Why should you buy it? Because wonderful feedback, low rate shipping, and almost a number of orders. So what will you do if you get the product? Check the description link below for details and price. Thanks for watching. Welcome viewers.